Welcome to Radiant Reiki with Carol. My name is Carol, for anybody who doesn't know me yet, and I'm really happy that you chose to be here today. If you'd like information about my Reiki business, look at the description down below. And this channel is going to be talking not just about Reiki energy healing, but also about all things spiritual. So today we're going to be talking about manifesting your desires. Yeah, it's fun. Love it. Okay, so if any of this is a benefit to you, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow and other people find me. So I'd appreciate that. So starting off on manifesting, the universe wants us all to have a sweet life and to be able to manifest whatever it is we truly want in this life. You have to believe that because it's true. If you've ever read or read the book or seen the movie The Secret, you'll know what I'm talking about with the law of attraction. So if you believe something will happen and know it will, and have a high vibration and are happy in your circumstances as they are, then you'll be able to manifest. If you're depressed or not happy with your situation or, really sad, it's going to be difficult to manifest, which is sad because they're the people who need to do it the most, right? But the only thing that gets in the biggest thing that gets in the way of manifesting things is having any fear or doubt. You got to keep those at bay, because if you have fears or doubt or don't believe, it ain't going to happen. So the first thing you got to do when you're manifesting is write down what it is that you want. For example, I recently manifested where I live. So I wrote down everything I wanted in my place, the location, how much I wanted to pay, the number of bedrooms, whether it has a fireplace, whether it had a view, anything like that. You got to get specific. So you write down everything you want, and then another thing I did was manifest my previous relationship. I wrote down everything I wanted in a person to be my partner. Now, I did make a small mistake on that one, is I didn't include everything. So some things I think I just assumed would be the case, but you can't assume anything. So you got to specifically write down everything, make your list very complete. And each day, read that list of things. You could put them on a 3x5 cards, each thing that you want, if you want, or just a list, whatever you want to do. But read it off and read it as if you already have it. Like, I'm so grateful that I have this blah, blah, blah. It's so great. And it makes me feel this way because it's so great and this and that. So it's important to, if you could read it multiple times a day, that's even better. And act like you've already got it. Then number 3 is believe you deserve this, because you do. Also, when you're reading that list, make sure you you say at the end, this or anything better. Because a lot of times we limit ourselves in what we want. We think, well, I can only have that. I'm not going to ask for that, But maybe the universe can find a way to get you that. So if you can say this or anything better, because the universe, God, angels, whatever you believe, they're going to be able to. It's amazing what they can do. So let them do their work. They're better at seeing the big picture in your life than you are. Okay. So number 4, visualize receiving it. And notice how would it make you feel those feelings. So every time you say each of these items, you got to feel it and visualize it and imagine how you're going to feel, right? And act like you already have it. And number 5, positive thoughts, no doubts. Super important. If any doubt comes into your mind, like, it's probably not going to work, then guess what? It won't. So any kind of doubt that comes into your mind, cancel, cancel, release. That's what you got to do with that thought. Say cancel, cancel, release, and it'll go away hopefully. And then keep your thoughts always positive. Anytime a negative thought comes in, replace it with a positive one. Because truly, I am telling you, if you think positively, you will get this. That's why confident people get all the things that they want, because they believe they will. They believe they deserve it, and they believe that they will, because they have. That's what we have to do. Number 6, do not tell anyone. This is really important, because what happens is you're going to tell somebody about what it is you're manifesting, and chances are they're going to say, oh, yeah, good luck with that. That'll be, hope that happens. They're going to put doubt. Oh, yeah, that's going to be hard. They will put doubt in your mind, and then you're not going to be able to manifest it. So, and they may be thinking their own thoughts, and you don't know what their thoughts can do to the universe either. So don't tell anyone what you're thinking. Number 7, best interests for everyone. This is very important. So let's say you want a promotion, okay? And it's over some other people, right? Now, if this is in the best interest of everyone involved, like you're the best person for the job, then that's great. You can get that. But if, let's say, maybe somebody else has more experience or might be better than you can still get that if that's a good lesson for that person or the boss or anybody else. If it's in the best interest of everyone involved, then you can have it. You just don't want to wish for something that is going to be hurtful for someone else unless it's in their best interest. Maybe they need to get, a little lesson. Number 8, do not force it. You are not as adept at manifesting things as the universe is. So you just put it out there, you just believe it, and you say it, and you visualize it, and you see it, and then you just let the universe figure out how it's going to get done. Maybe it'll be coming in this way and doing this, and then this, and then this. It's amazing. It's never like a straight shot, like you just get the promotion. No, it's like this, then this happens, then this happens, all kind of a domino effect. So just let the universe do its work. Let these beautiful things just flow to you. And have gratitude. Number 9 is have gratitude. Make sure that you are happy with your life as it is. And this would be just make it icing on the top, wonderful, even better. But be grateful for everything you have in your life now, because I'm sure you can find something that is good in your life, and then concentrate on that. Right? So the more gratitude you have and the more relaxed you are, like this is just going to come. It's not a problem. I'm not going to worry. Worry is doubt. Forget the worry, right? Then it's all going to happen, right? So have fun manifesting. Please like, share, and subscribe. In love and light. See you next time.